Lesson: Preparing for the evolving landscape of AI in IT operations. The evolving landscape of AI in IT operations presents both challenges and opportunities for professionals tasked with maintaining and optimizing complex networks. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into IT infrastructure, it is essential for technical support and network operations personnel to adapt their skills and strategies to leverage these advancements effectively. This lesson focuses on providing actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can directly implement to stay ahead in this dynamic field. One of the primary ways AI is transforming IT operations is through the automation of routine tasks. By implementing AI-driven automation tools, IT professionals can significantly reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on more strategic initiatives. For instance, AI-based platforms such as Ansible and Puppet automate configuration management and deployment processes, ensuring consistency and reducing human error. These tools use predefined scripts to manage IT infrastructure, allowing for seamless updates and deployments across multiple environments. By adopting such tools, IT teams can enhance their efficiency and minimize downtime, ultimately leading to improved service delivery and customer satisfaction. Moreover, AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time presents opportunities for proactive network monitoring and anomaly detection. Traditional monitoring tools often rely on predefined thresholds, which can result in missed alerts or false positives. AI-powered solutions, such as IBM's Watson AIOps, utilize machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and detect anomalies that may indicate potential issues. By implementing AI-driven monitoring systems, IT professionals can gain deeper insights into network performance, allowing for quicker identification and resolution of potential problems before they escalate into significant outages. In addition to automation and monitoring, AI is also enhancing IT operations through predictive analytics. Predictive analytics involves using historical data to forecast future trends and behaviors, enabling IT teams to make informed decisions and allocate resources more effectively. For example, Splunk's IT Service Intelligence platform leverages AI to provide predictive analytics capabilities, helping IT teams anticipate capacity needs, identify potential points of failure, and optimize resource allocation. By incorporating predictive analytics into their operations, IT professionals can improve their ability to plan for future demands and ensure that their infrastructure remains resilient and efficient. To effectively implement AI in IT operations, professionals must also be familiar with the frameworks and methodologies that support AI adoption. One such framework is the AI maturity model, which provides a structured approach for assessing an organization's readiness to adopt AI technologies. This model outlines key areas such as data readiness, cultural readiness, and technological readiness, helping organizations identify gaps and develop a roadmap for successful AI integration. By utilizing the AI maturity model, IT professionals can ensure that their organization is well prepared to harness the benefits of AI and avoid common pitfalls associated with its implementation. Furthermore, the adoption of AI in IT operations requires a shift in skill sets and competencies. IT professionals must develop proficiency in AI-related technologies and concepts, such as machine learning, data science, and natural language processing. Online educational platforms like Coursera and edX offer specialized courses and certifications in these areas, providing IT professionals with the opportunity to upskill and remain competitive in the job market. By investing in continuous learning and development, IT professionals can build the expertise needed to effectively leverage AI in their operations and drive innovation within their organizations. Case studies provide valuable insights into how organizations have successfully integrated AI into their IT operations. For example, a leading telecommunications company implemented an AI-driven network management solution to automate fault detection and resolution processes. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, the company was able to reduce mean time to resolution by 30%, significantly improving network reliability and customer satisfaction. This case study illustrates the tangible benefits of AI adoption and underscores the importance of strategic planning and execution in achieving successful outcomes. Statistics further highlight the growing impact of AI on IT operations. According to a recent survey by Gartner, over 40% of IT organizations have already implemented AI-driven automation tools, with an additional 20% planning to adopt them within the next year. This trend underscores the urgency for IT professionals to familiarize themselves with AI technologies and their applications in network operations. By staying informed about industry trends and advancements, IT professionals can ensure they remain at the forefront of technological innovation and continue to deliver value to their organizations. In conclusion, preparing for the evolving landscape of AI in IT operations requires a proactive approach that encompasses the adoption of practical tools, frameworks, and methodologies. By embracing AI-driven automation, monitoring, and predictive analytics, IT professionals can enhance their operational efficiency and effectiveness. Additionally, understanding and utilizing frameworks like the AI maturity model can guide organizations in their AI adoption journey. Continuous learning and upskilling are also crucial for developing the competencies needed to leverage AI technologies successfully. By implementing the insights and strategies outlined in this lesson, IT professionals can position themselves and their organizations for success in the ever-changing world of IT operations.